doing? I hope everybody's doing okay. So the plan today is to fly to the south of Atlanta. So there's an airport called Hartsfield. So it is right next to the Hampton race course or Atlanta Motor Speedway. So the plan today is basically try to fly over downtown Atlanta and the Atlanta Hartsfield Airport, then land there. And also the gas is very cheap. It's like $2.90 per gallon. So that's the cheapest that I've seen in the Atlanta surroundings. So I want to go there and probably get some gas and come back. Should be a pretty short flight. So usually what happens is when you try to fly over the Hartsfield Jackson Airport, sometimes they may reroute you away from the airport, away from the arrivals and departures. And given the current situation, I'm guessing that the traffic won't be too much. And also I filed an IFR flight plan. So even though it's a beautiful VFR day, I filed an IFR flight plan. So hopefully, those two will get us to fly over the Atlanta Hartsfield Airport and fly over downtown Atlanta. Hopefully we'll get to see that. So I do have a camera set up here. Hopefully it will capture it. So that's the plan. We'll see how this works out and go from there. Alright, see you guys in there.
Fishy ground, Grumman 66 Romeo Delta to the north ramp with information in the IFR.
Number 66 Romeo Delta, Peachtree ground, that's much better. You're cleared to the Hotel Mike Papa Airport via radar vectors and as filed. On departure, maintain 3000, expect 4000, 10 minutes after. Frequency 126.907, squawk 5275.
Grumman 66 Romeo Delta cleared to Hotel Mike Papa radar vectors 3000. Expect 4000 after 10 minutes. Frequency 126.907, squawk 5275.
Number 66 Romeo Delta, readback's correct. You ready to taxi?
Ready to taxi, 6 Romeo Delta.
Number 6 Romeo Delta, runway 3 left, taxi via Delta Alpha, cross runway 34 and advise when that run-up is complete.
3 left, the Delta Alpha, cross runway 34, advise run-up complete, 6 Romeo Delta.
6 Romeo Delta, fly runway headed, runway 3 right, you're clear for takeoff.
Runway 3 right, clear for takeoff, fly runway heading, 6 Romeo Delta.
678 Delta CRP Star, good evening. Ident, wind 32.
Tower confirm, runway 3 left for 1 Golf Tango.
Yes sir, 1 Golf Tango 3 left, you're clear to land.
Good, left 3 left, 1 Golf Tango. Good, got my brake closed.
Number 2, Charlie Alpha, short approach is approved. Your number 2, you're following the Syracuse on about a mile final. 3 left.
Airspace alive.
Option. Current wind 010 at 10.
Alright, 3 left clear for the option. Actually, this will be a full stop and short approach approved to Charlie Alpha.
Alright, we're flying the runway heading. Oil pressure looks good. Fuel pressure looks good. 85 knots.
6 Romeo Delta, fly runway heading, contact Atlanta departure, safe travels.
Fly runway heading and contact departure, thank you, see you soon. And departure Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, just took off from PDK, runway heading, climbing to 3000.
66 Romeo Delta, departure ident, climb maintain 5000.
Ident for 6 Romeo Delta, climb maintain 5000. So 3500, climbing to 5000.
6 Romeo Delta, radar contact, 4 northeast of the Cat Peachtree, turn left heading 270.
Turn left 270, 6 Romeo Delta. Alright, so that's westerly heading.
That's okay, we'll go ahead and work you on in, no big deal. 6 Romeo Delta, turn left heading 220.
Left heading 220, 6 Romeo Delta.
6 Romeo Delta, turn left heading 200.
Left heading 200, 6 Romeo.
November 6 Romeo Delta, expect a visual approach at Hampton and advising you have the weather. Change to my frequency, 128.57, 2857.
128.57, 6 Romeo Delta. Okay, so we are flying over downtown Atlanta.
Damage 824 to cap 2 o'clock, 6 miles. 339. 6 Romeo Delta, turn 10 degrees left, lower in just a moment.
10 degrees left for 6 Romeo Delta. Alright, we're flying right over Hartsfield, Jackson.
32 Lena, Dobbins advertising the ILS 29. Would you like a visual instead?
I don't have any. I don't see any takeoffs or landings.
Alley 32, I have your request on the RNAV runway 29, fly heading 090, please. Okay, who's the VFR calling? Okay, of course I've got 3 aircraft calling on separate frequencies, so 339 Delta, your VFR, give me 1 second. The aircraft that's looking to cancel IFR, what's your call sign? 78 Kilo Charlie, and I'm looking at the scope, I'm not talking to a 78 Kilo Charlie. 66 Romeo Delta, lower in just a second.
No problem, 6 Romeo.
Thanks, 62 X-ray, just plan that present heading for now, I'll bring you back around to the east and give you a 180 here in just a minute.
Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, we have the airport inside. Would like to go ahead and cancel the IFR.
6 Romeo Delta, IFR cancellation received. Have a good day.
Thank you, sir. Hampton traffic, Grumman 66 Romeo Delta over the lake. We'll join left downwind for runway 24 Hampton. Hampton traffic, Grumman 66 Romeo Delta on left downwind for runway 24 Hampton. Gas looks good, make sure looks good.
Yeah, this is Grumman Delta, plane Sierra X-ray, and final, runway 31, low pass over the runway.
Hampton traffic, Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, turning final for runway 24 Hampton. Hampton traffic, Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, clear of runway 24 Hampton.